Hello, my name is Joseph Mead, and I am currently in Florida. I am here to document my aquarium experience and share it with all of you.
Little guys are looking for a picture. They're like, hey.
Yeah. Nana, look at that grouper.
Where?
It's in the far back. It's sad that there's only one nurse shark in here.
No, they don't travel in packs. They're like lone nurse, I think.
Well, don't you think that would be pretty lonely? Look at that little guy. Look at that one. Oh.
That's okay.
I'm legally blind. I didn't know he was.
No, you're
There's
fine.
a live starfish.
Hi, Dory.
So you want to see a really weird fish?
Wait, where?
Look at this head. Look at my head.
Probably from the worms.
Oh my god.
That's probably why it's those blocks.
Oh, those are the roots from those plants.
Oh. You have already seen some of the saltwater fish of this aquarium. Now we are moving on to the freshwater fish. These fish are beautiful.
Doras, catfish, cardinal tetras, bleeding heart tetra, twig catfish.
I love the bleeding heart tetras. Don't you?
Where are they?
They're like over there. Oh my god, look at those. I don't know what that guy is, but he's my favorite, I think.
I like the shiny tetra. Skipper rage. Where's my phone? That I do not know.
It's here.
Wait, she's trying to get it and don't let you.
I really enjoyed my experience at Daytona Aquarium and Rainforest Adventure. I hope you enjoyed my video as well. Thank you.